It's just a little freestyle. So I grew up in the Ville. Always keep it true. I'm a man of my word. I always pay my bills. I ain't never in debt unless it's to these motherfucking laws, cause I ain't paying them shit. I'm sitting down on mine. I don't give a fuck cause I got a point of mine that's so motherfucking fly. I don't even need a jet cause I fly my own self across this country on my own dividends. I don't give a fuck cause what I spend, you boys couldn't make this in a motherfucking whole entire month. That's just what I do. Me and my crew, we all blue and gray. I don't give a fuck where you stay. If you got them goods, me and my dudes kicking in your door. We got them fofos at your motherfucking face, no mask, boy. We don't give a fuck cause we all about the cash, boy. If you come bashing back, we don't give a fuck cause we got them AKs and them chop shoeys laying in the motherfucking trees and the motherfucking back of the trunks. Don't give a fuck, cause if you fuck with us, that's where you're gonna be, in the back of the trunk, and we can ride around all night smoking blunts and shit with you in the back of the trunk, cause I don't give a fuck, cause I'm all about the funk. I smoke Doja, and I'm all about my motherfucking money. Don't give a fuck. Back in the day, I used to sell dope and pimp hoes. That's just how I roll. I ain't never had a 6'4", a Rolls, a Benz, none of that motherfucking shit, but I do have a Ford F-150 truck that I do smash the gas on and ride from the police. Matter of fact, got pulled over the other day. Police found a little blunt on me. Don't give a fuck cause I gotta go to court. Already gotta go to court on September the 8th for 2 distribution charges of the weed. Don't give a fuck cause I'ma sit down on that shit too. They gonna put me on house arrest and I don't give a fuck. I'll piss in any cup. Even though I'm dirty, I don't give a fuck. I might be white and nerdy, but I'll bust your motherfucking ass. I'm all about my cash. I smoke the green gas, and I'm all about my motherfucking fetty. If you don't like that shit, I'll be motherfucking real, and I'll tell you to your face. I'll slap you in your face. I don't give a fuck, cause I'm a motherfucking fool. Untamed gorilla. I'm a silverback dude. If you run up on me, I'll scope you from a mile and a half away with that 223. And if that ain't good enough, I'll pull out the Uzi and ooh my homeboys. They come with the big Glocks and the big tanks and the big dogs. We don't give a fuck cause we pit bulls off the leash and we ain't been fed in a week and we coming and cutting up bodies and stabbing them up and gutting them up and not giving a fuck cause we some motherfucking G's in this motherfucker. I throw up the C cause I'm a motherfucking fool and I'm a motherfucking cuz, and if you don't like that, fuck you and your girl and your motherfucking mama. I don't give a fuck cause where I'm from, we kidnap your mama and your motherfucking kids. Them bitches don't never live again. We cut off their heads and send them to your mama on your motherfucking funeral day cause we some motherfucking G's and that's just how we roll. Don't give a fuck, boy. All my life I've been out of control. What the fuck I told you? I ain't never gave a fuck, and if you think I do, come try this shit. I'll bust your ass each and every motherfucking day that you ride up on me, and then we can go to the streets. The only thing about me is I got more motherfucking ammunition than you could ever motherfucking see. Cause I'll get you and snipe you from a mile away. You never see it coming, boy. I lay you down so quick. Shit. Boy, y'all boys can't fuck with me on this motherfucking shit. That's just freestyling and shit. I ain't even gotta write no motherfucking shit, and I still fuck you boys up on this shit. You know what I'm saying? There's that boy Steve-O, Pimpin' Steve, 337. You know what I'm saying? Late Chalk Finest. That's what I do. You know what I'm saying? Shouts out to the 916, 813, my brother Kenny Loco. That's how it goes down in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Repping the bottom of the boot, baby. Bottom of the map. Get it how you live, son.